let's see what is in day one. I've got day one up here. It's the only one that's in order on mine. I did go through and mess up the orders. And then let's have a look. So we have got a Christmas gift from me to you, and this gives us the password for the calendar. And then on the back we have got a little note that said they wanted to give us something extra special this year, so I've designed some exclusive mini makes to spread some Christmas cheer. Oh, so there's some mini makes to make in this. I hope that they're going to be using leftover yarn from the boxes as we go through, but if not, I've got plenty in my stash. And then what have we got? Just move that to one side. We have got one of their sparkly Crochet Society hooks. This one is a 4mm. These are a really nice feeling like handle. I've got a few of these now and they're always nice to work with. So that's another 4mm hook, which suggests to me that the pattern's probably going to be 4mm. And then we have got their signature Bella Coco wool. And this one is in Confectioner DK, and it is oh, there's a cat come to join in. I'm going to ignore him. It's in the colour Icing Sugar. So in the colour Icing Sugar. Can we get down, Dobby? Oh, sorry about the wobble there. Yeah, it's in the colour Icing Sugar. Beautiful. I really like working with this wool actually. So he's made with this Confection DK. So really nice. And then on the back of these boxes, you'll see it's got like a square and it's still got the finger hole. That is so that we can put them back to front, and eventually, apparently, it's going to turn into a pattern, a quote, I think. I don't know, I haven't looked, but that is day one. And I'll post later on whether I actually achieve day one or not.